In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a voice that resembles Deku using ElevenLabs voice design feature. This guide will help you capture the essence of Deku's character without cloning copyrighted material, ensuring you stay within the platform's guidelines while achieving the desired vocal style. To begin, navigate to the Voices section within the ElevenLabs interface. Once there, select the voice design option. This is essential as it allows you to customize a voice rather than clone existing characters. After selecting voice design, you will be presented with various options to tailor the voice to fit the Deku style. In the voice design settings, start by selecting the gender as male and set the age to young adult. Next, adjust the pitch to medium-high. For the accent, choose neutral or Japanese-influenced English. These selections will help establish a foundation that aligns with Deku's character traits. Next, focus on the tone keywords that are critical for capturing Deku's vibe. You should select keywords such as nervous, emotional, determined, heroic, and soft but intense. These descriptors will guide the voice design process, ensuring the generated voice conveys the anxious yet passionate personality that defines Deku. Once you have generated the voice, it is crucial to adjust several key settings for optimal results. Start with the stability slider and set it between 30 and 45. Lower stability allows for more emotional variation, which is important for capturing Deku's character. Then adjust the clarity/similarity slider to a range of 65 to 80. A higher setting can make the voice sound flat, while a balanced setting introduces the necessary cracks and shifts. Next, set the style exaggeration slider between 70 and 90. This adjustment enhances the anime energy, which is vital for embodying Deku's spirit. After making these adjustments, ensure you listen to the playback to confirm the voice aligns with your expectations before proceeding. Finally, if your subscription plan includes it, enable the performance or expressive mode. This feature enhances the voice's ability to convey emotions such as shouting, panic, and intensity, which are characteristic of Deku's delivery. Remember that the script you write is just as important as the voice settings. Incorporate hesitations, emotional pauses, and shifts in intensity to reflect Deku's personality accurately, creating a compelling performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.